This is your outdoor IP camera, doorbell camera. These are the two units that come. Both of them require two AAA batteries in the back. This is the main unit, which is outside the house of the apartment, and this is the unit that is inside the apartment or house. It shouldn't be more than 2 to 3 meters away because it has to be wirelessly connected. The reasons for this is basically when somebody rings here, not only do you get a video call on your phone, but the person who's inside the house, if he doesn't have access to this camera, will hear a chime. So then you know that somebody's at the gate or at the door. So first things first is that get the manual, scan the QR code. Once you scan the QR code for the app, it's called Icsee, it'll come on your phone. Once you do that, you go through the sign up process. Please, you must open the app and go through the sign up process. Once you sign up process, it's gonna send you a code via your email, which I have just received. So let me just type it in quickly. And I sign up. Okay, let me just move it this way so it makes it easier. And now I can do an account login. I do ensure the application is push normally set, and let's accept the push notifications, allow, go back, add to click a device. Click to add a device, go ahead and click it. Set up a Wi-Fi, yes, set up. What does it say here? Okay, so these cameras only work on 2.4 gigahertz networks, not 5 gigahertz. So please make sure you have a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, which most houses do. Then you do next step, allow.
Please input wireless router password, click OK.
So basically this is your Wi-Fi at your house or your home, right? Your apartment, right? So type in the password of the Wi-Fi. So I'll just do that quickly. And then I confirm.
Network is connecting. Please wait a moment.
So now it's sending the Wi-Fi password to this device here. Let's see if that works.
Network is connecting. Please wait a moment. Please wait a
请稍
moment.
后 Connecting. Please wait. 连接路由器成功 Connect to router successfully.
Network connection success. Please set the login password.
Okay, so put in a password that you want for this particular IP camera. So I'll just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now please note, very important, if your camera did not connect immediately, you didn't hear any sound from this particular device, do take a pin and remove the batteries for like 10 seconds, place the batteries back in, and press slowly gently into this reset button for at least about 10 seconds until you hear the device stating factory setting reset, and wait for like 2 minutes. Again, remove the batteries and just do that process again, and then it will connect. All right, but from the factory it should have already been done. But let's say you installed it somewhere else and you want to reinstall it like I just did. That's why it took me a bit of time. So let's see what's here. The password, is it correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. So I confirm. Just call it doorbell 1, save. I know, and that's it. So now this camera has been configured to my Wi-Fi. As you can see, there you go. Now what happens is that I like to have it fluent because it takes less bandwidth. Now what happens is basically, as long as this app is open, meaning even in the background, right, in your phone, whenever somebody rings this, your device will call. Now the issue is that the Wi-Fi, the email password that I put in this is actually in the phone that I'm using to record. So even if I press here, it's not going to ring here. It's going to ring in my phone, my primary phone. But you can test that out and enjoy. See, it's going to deep sleep now. So now the app is open and it's running in the background. So if I do press over here, can you hear that? Oh, actually, it is calling this device. Okay, wherever the app is. Sorry, my mistake. So now you can answer from wherever you are in the world and say, hello, hello, hello. And you can see the person who's at your gate. All right? So as simple as that. Now, let me get out of this one. Now, to configure this chime device, what you have to do is you have to put the battery in there and then just read through the manual. It's something like pressing the reset button 3 times and 3 times on this device. You just have to align it together, but it's very simple. You can read how to do that on the manual itself. Thank you and enjoy.